Hey YouTubers, it's Sunny Jim's Adventures here, and we are on our way to the Tail of the Dragon, currently on the 401 headed out of Ontario, and we'll be headed down to Tennessee and North Carolina for a week-long adventure. I got my buddy Mikey. I don't know if you can see him in the mirror there. Should be good. Really looking forward to this week-long adventure. If you haven't seen any of my videos yet, I am a new YouTuber and hope to do stuff on fun and exciting motorcycling. I am here on the fabulous Goldwing. This is my 2009 airbag model. I didn't really go looking for an airbag model. I actually went looking for a nav model and ended up with a fully loaded with navigation and everything. Got my little GPS here as my backdrop. That'll just give me my whole routes and that sort of thing. Plus you can bring that into the hotel, so a little easier to program and so on. But should be good. And really looking forward to bringing you all on the ride. We might get a little bit of rain today, so we'll see. But so far the weather is hot, hot, hot. We got 25 degrees and sunny. A little later in the day we're supposed to get a little bit of rain and so on. And we are headed for Fort Mitchell today. Fort Mitchell, Kentucky, actually. So just across the border from Cincinnati. And should be really good. So we'll see how that goes. And welcome along for the ride.